In this video, we're going to be using the vertex and a point to write a quadratic equation. So for the directions, it says write the equation of the parabola in vertex form. So remember that is y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. So number one, it tells us that in this parabola, the vertex is 3, -2, and it goes through the point 4, -6. So I know the vertex, so I already know my h and k. So if I were to plug that into my function here, I have that y is equal to a times x minus h, which is 3, squared, plus k, which is -2. So I'm really close to having the equation of the parabola. However, I don't know what that a value is. So that's where this other point comes into play. I see that this parabola goes through the point 4, -6. So that means I can actually plug in x and y for 4 and -6, because this 4 means that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -6. So plugging that in, I get -6 is equal to a times x, which is 4, minus 3 squared minus 2. And now I can go ahead and solve this equation for a. So simplifying this out, I have a times 4 minus 3 is 1 squared minus 2. So I have -6 is equal to a times 1 squared, which is 1, so just a minus 2. Add 2 to both sides, and I get that -4 is equal to a. So now I can go ahead and write my equation, and I have that y is equal to a, which is -4, times x minus h, which is 3, squared, minus k, or plus k, which is -2. Okay, let's look at one more. Here the vertex is -4 and -6, and it goes through the point 10 and 1366. So I have my vertex form, which is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. My vertex is -4, -6, so that means that h is -4, k is -6. And then I have the point 10, 1366. That means that x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 1366. So plugging that all in, I get that 1366 is equal to a times x, which is 10, minus h, which is -4, squared, plus k, which is -6. So I have 1366 is equal to a times 10 plus 4 is 14 squared minus 6. And so I get 1366 is equal to 14 squared. I get 196a minus 6. Add 6 to both sides, and I get 1372 is equal to 196a, and then divide both sides by 196, and I get that 7 is equal to a. So plugging that all in to my vertex form, I get that y is equal to a, which is 7, times x minus h, which is -4, squared, plus k, which is -6. So in other words, y is equal to 7 times x plus 4 squared minus 6.